Hey guys, it's part 2. It turned off. So, we're done with our slime. Mine is still sticky. Yeah. But why? I don't know. Even if I overactivate it, it's still gonna become sticky again. Yeah. Because I put a lot of Tide this time. Okay guys, I just finished. And here it is. Say it in English. A wolf? Yeah. Chevy, it's not a wolf. A what? It's a coyote. Oh. You're dumb. Hello, people.
That's what I said. A coyote, you said it was a wolf. You're so dumb.
Me? You said it was a wolf.
I said, it's a wolf? You're like, yeah.
Yeah, dude.
I didn't know. I don't know what it's a coyote. Not because you told me I do. They're in the mountains.
Wow.
Oh my god. Look, Mom, I put a password.
Okay, dude. I'm going to make another video in my house that I'm going to try slime. With what? Okay, guys. So, it's kind of sticky, but that's a good time to add my shaving cream. Dude. That looks funny. Poop. Okay, gonna mix it in. Oh, I know. What? What? Hard. Ah. So. Whenever I make fluffy slime, it doesn't turn out fluffy. But with the 99-cent store, it does turn fluffy.
Look at it. Look what I'm doing. I'm cutting.
What the heck? It's so soft. I told you you're not going to touch my slime. It's soft. So I'm not going to let you touch my slime. Can you stop?
No, I can't. Then take off my shoes.
Why should I?
Look it. So gay. What?
That's okay. That would fly. Did you guys see that?
Let go. No. Okay, I'll let go first.
Woohoo.
Oh.
Well, look at how stretchy it is. Oh, let me fix the camera.